Whoa! Scared me to death. My goodness. You know about this.
Well, come in and look around.
Well, I guess. My goodness.
Oh, good job, good job.
Yeah, they do.
My. Look at this.
No
Got rid of that
foo-foo
sissy couch.
That's right. No, we kept it. We just covered it up.
Oh, really?
It's
That's the
underneath.
same thing?
Yeah.
Well, that's
So you
the
can
way
see
to
the
do
very
it.
little corner right there. Just
That's the way
empty.
to do her. Wow. Perfect.
Is it you like?
Yeah, I love it.
Is it manly?
Manly enough for you?
I guess. I love that. That's cool.
Yeah.
You bet. My goodness. Sorry, see what y'all did while I was gone.
Thank you, thank you. It looks
Oh, yeah.
beautiful.
Like it?
Yeah.
Good, huh?
Yes. Good to be back.
Yeah, I bet it is.
Hey. Well, who is this? Look at this tan, would you?
I know.
Come on, I haven't been gone that long.